So because of symmetry, we can model half the beam. So I'm going to click on, so this is a sketch, a two-dimensional sketch. I will create a rectangle. I'm going to start at 0, 0, and then put x of 5, since I'm going to model half the beam, and y of 1. And here is the rectangle. I'm just going to zoom out. And then to cancel the procedure, and done. So this is the part. In the part module, if you click here, at the bottom here is where you mesh it. So I'm going to click on the mesh. First I have to assign the mesh controls. There are different types of meshing techniques. First I'm going to use quad. You can use free, structured, or sweep. For this particular geometry, since the geometry is very regular, I will choose to use structured. Free meshing is better for irregular geometries. Structured meshes are better for regular geometries. I'm going to press OK. So this is the mesh controls. I have to seed the part. I have to define some sort of an average size for the elements. So I clicked on seed part. The approximate size, let's say the size of the element, let's say 0.2. Apply. Okay. Then I need to define my element type. Assign element type. I'm going to use plane stress. There's quadratic or linear. I'm going to use linear. I'm not going to use reduced integration. So this is where you click on reduced integration. This is where you set it up for reduced integration. Alright, and then finally mesh the part. Okay, to mesh the part, yes. So this is the mesh. After that you need to define the material properties. So I'm going to click on the material. So it's elastic. Young's modulus is 200. I'm going to use Pascal units, so 200 times 10 power 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Poisson's ratio of 0.3. After creating materials, I need to assign sections. So I'm going to create a section. This is a solid. Plane stress and plane strain elements are solids. So this is a solid. Here I say which material, so it's material 1, the one I just created, and the thickness is 1. Next, after creating the section, you need to assign. I'm going to select the part and I'm going to assign section 1 to it. Okay. Now if you don't do this, then you create a section and you create a material, but it's not linked to your part. So you really have to, before going on to the next step, you need to link the section to the part. Afterwards, the assembly module. In the assembly module,